Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sam Technical Mathematics, where we discuss mathematics in a technical form. If you are to subscribe, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to get more updates on my videos. Now today we'll be discussing subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. We've done the first one where we did addition of matrices, but now we'll be discussing subtraction of matrices. Don't forget that a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers enclosed within a pair of brackets. Is a rectangular array of numbers which are enclosed within a pair of brackets. So now we'll be discussing subtraction of matrices. Subtraction subtraction of matrices. Subtraction of matrices. That is what we'll be discussing now. Subtraction of matrices. Now let's have the first question. A if A equals if A equals 2 4 3 5 2 4 3 5 and B equals and B equals 6 8 4 1 6 8 4 1. Evaluate A minus B. Evaluate A minus B. Now, the first thing you should know here is that matrix A and matrix B, they are in the same order. Matrix A and matrix B, they are in the same order. In matrix A, we have row 1, we have row 2, we have column 1, we have column 2, which make that 2 by 2 matrix. That is also applicable to matrix B as well. We have row 1, we have row 2, we have column 1, we have column 2. So, which is also 2 by 2 matrix. Now, quickly, let's solve this question. Let me rub here so that we can use this part to solve the question. Now, we are told to evaluate A minus B. A minus B. So, let me just rub here and put, my minus here. Minus here. A minus B. Now don't forget how we normally add and how we normally subtract. The way we add is also applicable to subtraction. So now from here now, we have A11 here, A11 here, that is 2. 2, don't forget we are subtracting 2 minus A11 here as well. That is 6. 2 minus 6, comma, A12 here, A12, we are still under A1. So A12 here, that is 4. 4 minus A12 here, that is 8. 4 minus 8. So we are through with that row. Now the next row, A21 here. A21, that is 3. Minus A21 here, that's 4. 4, comma. Now we are through with that. Now the next one now is A22. A22 here, that is 5. Minus A22 here. A22 here, that is 1. That is 1. So we have that now. So let's enclose it within a square bracket. Now equals, now 2 minus 6 here. We will subtract that now. 2 minus 6. Now 2 minus 6 here, that's minus 4. Minus 4. And here 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 there, that will give us minus 4 as well. Minus 4. Sorry, here 2 minus 6 here. 2 minus 6 here. That will give us so that will give us minus 4. Now the next one, 3 minus 4 here. 3 minus 4, that will give us minus 1. 3 minus 4, that will give us minus 1. And the last one here, 5 minus 1, that will give us 4. 5 minus 1, that will give us 4. So you can see that after the evaluation, we still got 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix, because we are given the question in form of 2 by 2, so our result as well should be 2 by 2 matrix. Should be 2 by 2 matrix. So quickly, let's consider another question. Now, quickly, let's consider another question. Let's consider another question quickly. If t equals 9, 21, 6, 7, 6, 7, here's 9, here's 6. Now, if t equals 9, 21, 6, 7, and c and c and c equals 6, 10, 5 minus 8, evaluate t minus c. Evaluate t minus c. Now, don't forget that we are dealing with matrices, and also we are considering subtraction of matrices. Now, if you look at this question now, you will see that t and c, they are in the same form. Now we're told to evaluate t minus c, so which means we should subtract. Now, in doing that, now let me just rub here. Let me just put my subtraction here. So t minus c. So don't forget how we normally subtract. So here, a11 here, that is 9. We are subtracting minus a11 here, that's 6, comma, a12 here, that is 21, minus, then here, a12 here, that is 10. Now, a21 here, that's 6, minus a21 here, that's 5. Then the next one, a22 here, that is 7, minus a22 here, that's minus 8. That's minus 8. So we are through with that. So quickly, let's put our bracket. Now from here now, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6, that will give us 3. 3. And here, 21 minus 10. 21 minus 10, that is 11. 21 minus 10, that's 11. Then the next one here, 6 minus 5, that's 1. 6 minus 5, that's 1. Then the next one here, 7 minus 8. Now, there, minus times minus here, that is plus. So that is 7 plus 8, and that will give us 15. Which is the final answer to that question. That's the final answer to that question. Now, let's consider another question. Now, the next question we'll be considering now will be in form of 3 by 3 matrices. Take note, the order of this matrix here is 2 by 2, because here we have here to be row 1, we have here to be row 1, and we have here to be row 2. And we have here to be column 1, and we have here to be column 2. So that is 2 by 2 matrix. So the next question that we'll be considering now will be 3 by 3 matrix. The order will be 3 by 3 matrix. So quickly, let's consider this question quickly. If k equals 16, 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, and 2 minus 1, 4, 9, 7, 4. 9, 7, 4. We have K to be that. And L and L equals 10, 8, 7, 5, minus 6, 9, 3, 10, 4. 3, 10, 4. Evaluate. Evaluate K minus L. Evaluate K minus L. So which means we should subtract them. Now from here, if you look at this question, you observe that this question was given to us under 3 by 3, because we have the order of matrix K is 3 rows and 3 columns. The order of matrix L as well, 3 rows and 3 columns. Now to subtract that let me just change this to subtraction minus, and let me erase it so that we can be able to solve the question here. Now let's solve. Now from here, don't forget how we normally add, and the same way is how we do subtract. Now from here, now A11 here, that's 16. A11, that's 16. 16 minus, we are subtracting 16 minus. Now A11 here, A11 here, that is 10, comma A12 here, that is 4, minus A12 here, that is 8, comma A13 here, that is 8, minus A13 here, that's 7. So we are through with that row. Now the next row, now A21 here, that is 2, minus A21 here, that is 5, comma A21 here, A21, that's minus 1, that's minus 1, minus 1, then minus, we are subtracting A21 here, that's minus 6. We are subtracting, don't forget. Then here, A23 here, that's 4, minus A23 here, that is 9. We are through with that row. Now the next row, A31 here, that is 9, minus A31 here, that's 3, comma A32 here, that's 7, minus A32 here, that's 10, comma A33 here, that's 4, minus A33 here, that is 14. That's 14. Now you can see how those numbers were picked. How those numbers were picked, you can see. Now let's put our bracket. So let me rub here so that we can use that place to solve. Let me rub here. Okay. Now from here now, 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10, that is 6. 6. Then here, 4 minus 8, that's minus 4. Minus 4. And here, 8 minus 7, that is 1. We are through that row. The next row, here, 2 minus 5, that's minus 3. Minus 3. Then here now, minus 1 minus 6. That is minus 1 plus 6. Because minus times minus is plus. So that's minus 1 plus 6. That is 5. And here now, this row, 4 minus 9. That's minus 5. That's minus 5. Now we are through with that row. The next row here now, 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3, that is 6. That's 6. And here, 7 minus 10. That's minus 3. And here, 4, the last row here, which is here should be 3. Here should be 3, not 4. Here should be 3. Because if you look at our L, If you look at our L, you notice that we have 3, we have 3, 10, and 3, 10, and 14. We have 3, 10, and 14. If you look at that, so we'll be saying 9 minus 3, and also 7 minus 10, and the last one, that's 3 minus 14. So 3 minus 14, so we'll be having that, and that will give us minus 11. Minus 11, that's 3 minus 14, that's minus 11. So we've been able to solve that question, and we got our answer as well to be 3 by 3 matrix. To be 3 by 3 matrix. So quickly we'll be considering the next question now. We'll be considering the next question under subtraction of matrices. Under subtraction of matrices. Okay, let's consider the next question under subtraction of matrices. Now, if C if C equals, okay, if D, let's use D instead of C. If D equals 14, 6, 2, 1, 14, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 8, 32, 27. That's matrix D. And C equals matrix C equals 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 3, 4, 21, 8, 7, 14. 8, 7, 14. Now evaluate D minus C. Evaluate D minus C. So you can see that from this question, we have matrix D to be 3 by 3 matrix, and we have matrix C as well to be 3 by 3 matrix, which means that matrix C and matrix D, they are in the same order. They are in the same order. So quickly, let's solve the question. Let's solve the question. Let me use here. We have to evaluate D minus C. So in doing that now, let me just put my subtraction sign here. My subtraction. So let's look at that now. So D minus C, we have our A11 here. That's 14. So that's 14. 14. We have our A11 here. That's minus 6, comma. We have the next one to be 6 here. 6 minus, we have the next one here to be 8. 6 minus 8. While we have the next one here to be 21. 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9. Now we have the next one here to be 2. 2 minus 3. Don't forget that we are talking about subtraction, and to subtract, you have to use the row. Now we are in row 2 now. Row 2, that is A11, A21, row 2, A21, that is 2, minus A21 here, that's 3. Now A22 here, that is 3, minus A22 here, that is 4. Then A23 here, that is minus 4. Minus 4. Then A23 here, that's minus 21. Minus 21. Then the next one here, A31. A31 here, that is 8. 8 Then A31 here, that is minus 8 as well. We have our comma here. A32 here, that is 32 minus A32 here, that is 7. 7 as well. We have the next one here, A33 here, that is 27. 27 minus A33 here, that is 14. 27 minus 14. So we've been able to manage here. So let me rub this side so that we can solve the rest here. Okay, let's solve the rest. Now from here now, 14 minus 14 minus 6. 14 minus that's 8. 8. Now here, 6 minus 8, that's minus 2. That'll give us minus 2. And this side here, 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9, that will give us 12. Also here 2 minus 3, that will give us minus 1. 2 minus 3, that will give us minus 1. Here as well, 3 minus 4, that will give us minus 1 as well. And here, minus 4 minus 21, that will give us minus 25. And here, 8 minus 8, 8 minus 8 here will give us 0. To give us 0. Give us 0. And here, 32 here, 32 minus 7, that will give us 25. 25. And here as well, 27 minus 14. Here, 27 minus 14, that will give us 13. That will give us 13. That will give us 13. Now you can see that after the evaluation, we still have the same order. We still have the same order for that question. We have row 1 here. We have row 1. We have row 2. And we have here to be row 3. And we have here to be column 1. We have here to be column 2. And we have here to be column 3. So let's consider another question under subtraction. Let's consider another question under subtraction. Quickly, let's consider another question. Another question. Don't forget that we are dealing with subtraction of matrices. Let's consider another question. Now, if Q equals minus 2, minus 4, 6, 3, 8, 9, 3, 0, 4. 3, 0, 4. And P equals minus 8, minus 4, 3, 6, minus 9, minus 1, 6, 4, 5. 6, 4, 5. Now we have that. We have minus 1 here. We have minus 1 here. Minus 1. And we have here to be 5. We have here to be 5. So we are told to evaluate, evaluate, evaluate Q minus P. Evaluate Q minus P. Now you can see that matrix Q and matrix P, they are in the same order. They are in the same order. We have 3 rows and we have 3 columns. Now from here now to evaluate that now, it means we have to subtract. We have to subtract. So quickly, let's solve that. Quickly, let's solve that. Let me just put my subtraction here. Let me put my subtraction here. And I'll be rubbing this hand. Okay. Here as well. Okay, let me rub here. Now let's evaluate it. Now from here, Q, we have minus 2. Minus 2, we are subtracting. Minus, we have minus 8 here. That's A1, 1. That's minus 8. So we have minus 2 minus 8. We are through with that. Now the next one, A12, that's minus 4. Minus 4 minus A12 here as well. That is minus 4. So we have minus 4 minus 4. Now A13 here, that is 6 minus A13 here, that is 3. 6 minus 3, we are through with that row. Now the next row, A21 here, that is 3 minus A21 here, that is 6. We are through with that. Now the next one, A22 here, that is 8. 8, we are subtracting. Now A22 here, that is minus 9. That's minus 9. A23 here, A23, that is 9 minus A23 here, that is minus 1. We are through with that. Now to the next row now, that is row 3. So A31 here, that is 3. We are subtracting. A31 here, that is 6. We are subtracting. The next one here, A32 here, that is 0. 0, we are subtracting. A32 here, that is 4. That's 0 minus 4. That's 0 minus 4. Now the next one, which is the last one, A33 here, that is 4. 4 minus then A33 here, that is 5. 4 minus 5. So let me put my bracket. Okay, we have that now. Quickly, let's solve it and get our final answer. Let's do that and get our final answer. Now from here, minus 2 minus 8. Now that is minus 2 plus 8. Because minus times minus is plus. So that's minus 2 plus 8. That is 6. 6. Here now, minus 4 minus 4. That is minus 4 plus 4. Because minus times minus as well here is plus. So minus 4 plus 4, that's 0. Then here as well, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, that's 3. We are through with that row. Now the next row now, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6, that's minus 3. Then here now, 8 minus 9. That is 8 plus 9. Because minus times minus is plus. So 8 plus 9, that's 17. 17. And here now, 9 minus 1. That is 9 plus 1. Because minus times minus as well is plus. So 9 plus 1, that's 10. 10. Now the next row now, 3 minus 6. That's minus 3 as well. Minus 3. And here now, 0 minus 4. That's minus 4. Minus 4. And the last one here, that's 4. The last one here, that is 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. So quickly, let me put my bracket. Because we said is an rectangular array of numbers enclosed within a bracket. Now, if you look at this now, you see that after solving, after the evaluation of q minus p, we got 603 minus 3 1710 minus 3 minus 4 minus 1, which is our final answer. Now, if you look at this answer, you will also notice that here we have row 1 here as well. We have row 1, we have row 2, and we have row 3. And here as well, we have column 1, we have column 2, and we have column 3. Now you can see that both matrices that were given to us, they are in the same form. That was the reason we were able to add them together. Now, after the addition, after the subtraction, if you are given subtraction or if you are given addition, after the solution, your answer must still be in the same order. Now, in this kind of question, now after the solution, after evaluation of q minus p, we got our final answer to be in the same form of q and also in the same form of p. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sam Technical Mathematics, where we solve mathematics technically. Thank you for watching.